So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger switch accounts. First thing guys, all what you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. When you go to the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find the messenger, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on storage or the internal storage. Click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on data usage, make sure to enable all these four options, go back again, and now click on the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert and restart your phone. Thank you.